First thing you're going to want to do is take the screws off of the faceplate so that everything is disassembled like this. Next you're going to find the screw on the door sill and then back it off until it gets tight. If you are doing the tailgate, this is where you find that screw at, and then once you release the screw, the door handle will pop off. Next you're going to want to use the hook piece, slide it in, and then it should engage with the mechanism inside. Pull that out, and then you can slide in the back piece. You will know the back piece is in there when it sets flush against the seal, and then you pull on the hook a couple of times to make sure that it's in there. Next, retighten the screw on the door sill. This will hold those pieces in place. Next, remove the factory screw on the front part. Then, using the same factory screw and sliding in this piece, then you will replace that screw in that hole. Next, we're going to put the plate on. I like to start with the front screw first. It just simply screws into the hinge here, and then you will move on to the back. First, the hook part, you'll screw into that piece, and then once that is attached, then you'll slide the cap part in and attach those two screws. Now the door handle should be completely installed. Test it out. Yep, looks like it works.